Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this was another video. We are going to discuss about the candlesticks pattern based on doji. That was happening on IndusInd Bank by yesterday. We made a video about IndusInd Bank. So today it give you the opportunity that will generate you 1:1 risk reward ratio that I'm going to discuss in this video. So where we are going to find out the buying opportunity once the stock is crossing above 147.90. That was yesterday's high where the stock forms a doji at top and also be bottom. Why? Because of that is what the first day of the this month. So the scanner will find out doji at top and bottom, so which forms a doji candle, and it breaks by around 9:30 first time, and it spikes up and again return back to the same price. Those who are missed out the entry around 1047.90, and then it triggers you the entry point second time, and it finally moves towards 1071 level. So almost we take the risk around 1024 is near about almost 24 point, is 23 to 24 point risk, and here it generated you more than 25 points profit. That covered you 1:1 risk reward ratio based on the doji which forms at the top. So that is what we discussed on that video by yesterday on daily time frame. That was a doji candle. So we marked earlier and it has broken the high and it continues the trend. The stock continues the trend. Previous trend is keep going up, and we thought there is a reversal once it is broken the low, but unfortunately it never broken the low. So there is a no sell entry opportunities on this particular stock, but it can create a breakout and it continues the trend. It is already in bull trend, so it breaks the high and it continues the bull trend, and it is high, keep on going higher. It's not about an intraday trade, it is a positional trade, but the stock we filtered by yesterday, and if generate you 1:1 profit on by next day itself is good enough profit, right? So that is what the logic by based on the candlesticks pattern we used, and I am daily sending on my Telegram channel by morning. So there is an opportunity on that particular stock because it is forming some candlesticks pattern. So based on the pattern we are filtering out the stock and sending it to you, and there is an opportunity on that particular stock. It may giving you such a opportunity. So that is the reason we made video and it was working good. And today those who have traded in this particular IndusInd Bank, hope you are doing well, and thanks for doing this. Okay, so let's check it out. What are the stocks it forms today by our scanners? And let I go to open a scanner. First we will go for a single candlesticks pattern. So lot of stock which forms a daily spinning top, and hammer candle daily, 𝐂𝐻𝐳 and 𝐿𝐵, and shooting star at top, it's a 𝐲𝗂𝗏 lab, and doji at top, it is a 𝐻𝗫𝐁. There is a stock which forms a good opportunity for tomorrow, or even from tomorrow it may be the positional stocks. Let's find out 𝗂𝐻𝐳 Industries. 𝗂𝐻𝐳, let me check it out. Hammer, yes, this is what calculating by monthly basis, but the stock is already in uptrend. So the stock is already in uptrend, that forms a hammer today. There is a chances if the stock breaks above the level, may it continue the uptrend. So let me find out the hammer candle which is perfectly forming a hammer candle. The lower wick is comparatively higher than the upper wick, and it should be the perfect hammer candle. Let me check it out. What should be the range for the particular day is, sorry, we have to use the price range. Let me find it out. 159 and 154.7, near about 5 rupees is the day's range. So there is a hammer which forms at the lowest level of the month. It is a lowest level of the month. There is a chances if the stock is breaking above the level, we can find out the uptrend in the market with the stop loss below this level. So 𝐂𝐻𝐳 India forms a good opportunity, and a hammer pattern will be looked at by the stock by tomorrow. And the second one is 𝐴𝐻𝐷 Copper. Let me find out 𝐿𝐴. It's based on the scanner. It's not a Hindalco. It's 𝐿𝐴. 𝐿𝐴. Yeah, that is also forming. Previous trend of the stock is keep on higher, and it is moving higher and higher. And another hammer pattern which forms 105.5 is the top and 102 is the bottom. So there is another chances the stock may continue the uptrend once it is breaking the high of 105. With a stop loss we can keep around 102. So these two stocks are good for a hammer pattern which is happening at a monthly low. And shooting star pattern, let's go for a shooting star. Lal Path Lab, we did the Lal Path Lab previously by based on the same candlesticks pattern, that is by 3-bar reversal at the nearby 52-week low, sorry, nearby monthly low. It was performed very well from 2024. It went up to maximum of 2373, and it forms an doji perfect doji, which at topmost level would be the best chances the reversal of the reversal in the trend. So what I'm expecting this stock, it has started moving here to moves higher than that, and the trend is up, and on the top of the day there is a doji. So the information where we find out by using this candlesticks pattern is nothing about the trend reversal. If the stock is broken this level of 2309 with a stop loss of 2374, we keep a stop loss is near about 60 plus point as the stop loss. So if you are ready to take this stop loss, this trade is for yours. Once it is broken the low, there is a sell opportunity, and we can expect the trend reversal at the topmost level. So another good stock where which forms a pattern at the highest level of the day would be the best chances to make the reversal at the top. So how we get a reversal? So let's see, there is a market is keep on going higher. There is a one candle which is a hammer, that is an inverted hammer which forms, and tell you that was happening at the highest level. Let's see that is happening at highest level of the trend. So this is a trend, and the highest level the price got rejected at this area, price rejected, and let's look at this down move. So it's keep on going up, and there is a trend reversal key, the market is reversed. Same like that, it was an uptrend, there is a trend reversal key. If it is follows the trend reversal, why we cannot see? Once the broken below 2309 would be the key reversal point when the stock key reversal for a downtrend. Would be the best opportunity by using the candlesticks pattern we can find out. So maybe the best chances of reverse in the topmost level would be possible. Let's see, this is what a trend reversal at this level, and we can expect there is a reversal, but there is a risk for the trade. Each and every trade having its own risk. You have to manage your risk. If the risk is suitable to you, then you can place orders. Otherwise you should ignore the trade. Don't go for a trade opportunities, because the risk is suitable to you. You can focus, or you can discuss your financial advisor to get this trade would be possible or not. So that is what thing 3 times it was giving you such a great opportunity, one, and reversed back. And another thing, it's a this is the another pattern of inside bar and reversed it, and again reversal hammer, reversed it, 3-bar reversal and reversed again, and there is another doji maybe give. So that's the opportunity by based on the candlesticks pattern we find out here. So that was another one. And finally we can see ITC. Let's go for ITC. What happened in doji? It forms a doji. Let's look at the perfect doji at the topmost level. Again it is happening at a highest level of doji, and there is a possible to reversal in the stock would be best and better. The stop loss for the trade is around 308 and 316, almost 8 rupees. It became a positional trade. If it is giving you the opportunity by reversal at this point, we can try to break it is low, so we can expect the stock can go down because of this is what a trend. And here is the another doji. From the doji it started moving higher, and may have the chances the stock may fallen down from the top. So these are the good stock which I selected for tomorrow based on the candlesticks pattern. You can try it out, or you can paper trade and work it out how it is working. Give me a comment how it has worked, and if you have any questions or a doubt, just give it on my comment on the comment box. We will discuss about your comment on next video. And meanwhile, thank you for watching this video. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any question, you can comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for your being with me. Thank you so much.